Want to give your videos a creepy and mysterious makeover? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add horror-themed freaky mask effect in CapCut Mobile, using its built-in video effects. Let's get started! For the step number 1, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then choose Video Effects. Browse through the available effect categories, and you may also use the search feature to search for horror-themed freaky masks. Tap the effect to preview it, and you'll see a eerie mask overlays that automatically appear on detected faces. If you're happy with the result, tap the check mark to apply the effect. Drag the left or right edge of the layer to make the effect shorter or longer. Now, play your video to preview the final edit before exporting. And that's how you add horror-themed freaky mask effect in CapCut Mobile. Stay creative and see you in the next edit. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.